For the Hollandse Kust North and West Alpha project, Jan de Nul is responsible for the transport, installation and protection of the export cables for 2 offshore wind farms. LS Cable and System manufactured the 210 kilometers of HVAC cables in South Korea, where Jan de Nul's cable-laying vessels Connector and Isaac Newton collected the cables and transported them to the Netherlands in only 3 trips. Thanks to our vessel's load capacity, we needed fewer trips and thus produced less emissions, which is also great news for our client. Our elevated starfish excavators prepared the nearshore seabed for the installation of the cables. On land, our subsidiary Soetart carried out essential preparation works by installing 4 cofferdams. Through our information centre, we informed the public and beach owners about the works in Wijk aan Zee. Our CLVs installed the cables on the seabed, which were then pulled into the onshore transition joint. We developed a new nearshore trencher, Moonfish, to achieve the requested burial depths of 8 meters below the surface of the seabed and the beach. TenneT asked for these unprecedented depths as a preparation for possible beach erosion during winter storms. Close collaboration between the technical department and the operational team resulted in the construction and testing of the new trencher in the ports of Ostend and Rotterdam. The Moonfish buried the cables at a depth of up to 8 meters with its powerful vertical injector. We installed the Hollandse Kust North cables in one single length to the offshore high voltage station. Our cable-laying vessel Connector pulled them in for jointing works performed by the jointers of LS Cable and Systems. This took 10 days of around-the-clock work by several teams to finish the job. Assisted in the installation of the cable, from cable-laying vessel Connector to the Hollandse Kust West Alpha offshore high-voltage station. Afterwards, multi-purpose vessel Ademar de Saint-Venant installed the rock berms. Thanks to the teamwork, ingenuity, knowledge, and a tremendous amount of work by all involved in the project, we managed to bury submarine cables to a depth of 8 meters under the seabed as the first company in the cable industry and in the foreseen time frame.